AGT wall profiles add elegance to living spaces with a wide range of colour and pattern options, offering modern and aesthetic solutions in interior decoration. Have you ever wondered how these profiles, which are so widely used in interior spaces, are applied? In this video, we will learn step by step how to install the AGT LB-3771 wall profile, which stands out due to its adaptability to curved forms thanks to its short channel structure. The only difference between LB-3771 and LB-3771Y lies in the connection points of the profiles. The LB-3771 is recommended for use in curved areas due to the flexibility of its channel structure, while LB-3771Y is better suited for flat surfaces. Now, let's explore how to install the AGT LB-3771 wall profile. Step by step. We begin by cutting the profiles to the required dimensions. We recommend using a trapezoidal toothed saw for the cutting process. The cutting machine should be set to a vertical angle of 90 degrees and a horizontal angle of 45 degrees. These angles ensure the profile is cut accurately. Make sure your saw is properly sharpened. A dull saw blade can negatively impact the quality of the cut. The surface coating you are using has been specially hardened to resist scratches. For a consistent and aesthetic result, you can use starting and finishing profiles that complement the profile you have selected. This allows you to achieve a stylish design even if the starting and finishing points of the profiles are visible. During the cutting process, the front surface of the profiles should be positioned facing upwards to prevent any damage. Once the starting and finishing profiles are cut to the required size, we can begin the application process. Make sure the wall to be covered is clean, dry and free from dust before proceeding with the framing installation. Framing helps us ensure that the profile fits perfectly against the wall, allowing for a smoother and more accurate installation. For framing installation, it is recommended to attach plates measuring 15 to 20 centimeters in width to the wall at intervals of 40 centimeters using silicone and nails. The framing layers are evenly prepared at regular intervals. The framing is then secured to the wall using a nail gun, a drill or a hammer. Now it's time to secure the AGT wall profiles to the framing. Thanks to its easy installation feature, the profiles can be quickly interlocked. The fun begins now. The profiles, secured to the framing at the joints, are now almost complete. After nailing each framing plate individually, the process is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully complete your wall profile installation. Adding elegance to a space with AGT wall profiles is that easy. AGT wall profiles are long-lasting due to their moisture barrier feature, and their rich colour and pattern options make them a perfect fit for any style.